To calculate the total carbon footprint of a job site, it is important to consider not only tools and equipment, but also the spaces used by all the people involved. The equipment CO2 calculator also allows you to calculate the emissions of modular and sanitary spaces. First, insert the product category and the version or name of the product. Then fill in the data about the weight and main material of the building, wood or steel. The calculator then requires a life cycle assessment expressed in CO2 kilograms emitted cradle to gate. If you don't have it, the calculator will use an average value. Step number 2 is about energy consumption. Modular buildings can use both electricity and diesel. For the first case, indicate the country of use and the consumption per month, specifying if the electricity comes from a renewable source generated on site. For the diesel, the consumption is expressed in litres per month, while the share of biofuel is a percentage. For this kind of information, you can use an estimate based on your previous experience. At the lifetime and utilization step, insert the ownership period in years and tell the calculator how much you'll use the modular building, how many months per year, how many days per month, how many hours per day. If you plan to sell the product at the end, insert the total expected lifespan. Turning to the transportation step, first insert the load capacity of the truck and how many trucks will you need. Then select the energy source. If it's an electric truck, the country of use is a crucial factor. Next, insert the load factor of the truck expressed as a percentage and data about the trip, transport distance, and number of times this module will be brought to the job site. And finally, insert the end-of-life scenario to determine the level of recycling. Your calculation is complete. You can edit and share it, and count the module you've just calculated in the list of your items to use it for future project calculations and be the most accurate possible when calculating the CO2 impact of your job. Start building a more sustainable future with the Equipment CO2 calculator.